So I decided to make the Trader Joe's Ube Mochi Pancake. All I needed was the mix, water, eggs, and oil. I had to get it to a really nice consistency, not too thick or not too runny, which should be obvious. I asked my mom for help because my pancakes didn't turn out round. This was really satisfying to watch, unless you have trypophobia. Sorry. Bam. I didn't sleep at all that day. Like, I didn't even wake up. It was 10:30 a.m. and I was like, let me make pancakes. And they were so good. It tasted like vanilla and it was gluten free as well, so it was amazing. I recommend.